from the book I borrowed.
Finished already?
Oh, I couldn't put it down. Have you got anything new?
Not since yesterday.
That's all right. I'll borrow this one.
That one? But you read it twice.
Well, it's my favorite. Fallout Places, Daring Sword Buds, Magic Spells to Prince in Disguise.
Well, if you like it all that much, it's yours.
Good sir.
I insist.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. There she goes, that girl is so peculiar. I wonder if she's feeling well. With the dreamy floral flow,
And her nose stuck in a book.
her puzzle to the rest of us as well. Oh, isn't this amazing? It's my favorite part because you'll see. Here's where she reads for charming, but she won't discover that it's till chapter 3. Now it's no wonder that her name is Beauty. Her looks have no parallel. But behind her there's a facade. I'm afraid she's rather odd.
Very different from the rest of us.
She's nothing like the rest of us. Just different from the rest of us as well.
I got it. You didn't miss a shot, Gaston. You're the greatest runner in the whole world.
I know.
No beast alive stands a chance against you. No girl for that matter.
It's true. And I got my eyes set on that.
The inventor's daughter?
She's the one, the lucky girl I'm going to marry.
But she's...
The most beautiful girl in town.
I know, but...
And that makes her the best. And don't I deserve the best?
Well, of course you do.
Right from the moment when I met her, saw her, I said she's gorgeous and I fell. Here in town there's only she who's beautiful as me. So I'm making plans to woo and marry her.